morning, seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here's what's happening from October 19th to October 25th. Monday, October 20th, the school will be closed in observance of Diwali. Enjoy the day off, seawolves. Tuesday, October 21st, our high school juniors are taking a college trip to look at potential colleges and universities they want to apply to. It will also be picture day for grades 6th, 7th, 9th, 10th, and 11th grades. And from 3:35 to 4:35, there will be Spirit Week rehearsals. Grades 10 and 12 will have access to the theater to practice their skit performances. Wednesday, October 22nd, again, there will be Spirit Week rehearsals. Grades 11 and 9 will have access to the theater today to practice their skit performances. Thursday, October 23rd, is our 8th grade picture day. Spirit Week rehearsals will be held from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. Grades 10 and 12 will have access to the theater to perform their skit performances. Friday, October 24th, our seawolves will be wearing pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, in loving memory of teacher Carrie Hubbard Naples, who passed away following a long battle with breast cancer in November 2021. Scholars are expected to abide by our Dress Down Day guidelines. There will also be PSATs held this Friday if you are expected to be taking them. There will be High School Spirit Week rehearsals for only the boards from 1:15 to 3:30 p.m. Finally, Saturday, October 25th, the Halloween parade in Howard Beach will be held from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All are welcome to attend. And that is it for the event preview this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you guys next time.